Today, right now, we are at the legendary spot at Tallinn Freedom Square. A simple session has totally spiced up things, so let the jam begin.
The place here is amazing. Like, I love coming to this city, and it's like, especially when the weather's like this, it's beautiful. Like, cruise around, we've got all the street spots, and like, even just riding around the city is amazing. Like, it's awesome.
Man, the vibe of Simple Session is one of my favorite events. They do such a great job with being hospitable to the riders, from like curating fun events in the city where everyone can come and hang out, to doing the best after parties I've ever been to.
Simple Session is chill vibes, good times, proper BMX, people just getting together and bringing the community together and giving people something to look at, something to get excited about. And yeah, it's great to be here.